that's the garage, and it totally reminds me of just like the beach. It's just a really nice, like, comfy, loose kind of shirt, and gets me excited for California. For highlights, so I'm gonna bring that. We have my skincare and my makeup. Welcome back to my channel. So happy Makeup Monday, and today I'm actually in my relaxed and Santa Monica outfit here, beachy outfit. So I'm just super excited. It's actually snowing right now, which is pretty funny. So we leave for Santa Monica tomorrow, and I wanted to get up a video today because whenever we leave to go somewhere, I love doing travel series, so like a pack with me. I actually just had my new vlog that went up. If you want to catch that video, I'll link it down below. But today you're going to be packing my makeup, my skincare with me. We also have little Mrs. Say hi, So baby. Are you gonna help Mama pack right now? Oh yeah, she's tired. You've been playing all day, haven't you? Daddy and Sissy are sleeping. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I packed for clothing and everything like that, watch my vlog, because today is just going to be makeup and skincare. So you can see everything that I packed for clothes and everything in the vlog. And of course, this time it's going to be a little different what I'm bringing, because the last pack with me, I was packing when we were with the girls and we were going to Vancouver, so I didn't bring a lot of like glamorous makeup. But this time, you know, me and Daddy are definitely going to be going out for dinner, and I'll do like a dressy uppy night. So I'm going to be packing heavy on the makeup this time, and also heavy on the skincare. So I hope you guys are excited to see this. If you enjoy watching these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so my makeup vanity right here. These are the two makeup bags I'm bringing with me. You guys already know this one from the other pack with me I did. It is a Pixie one, which it's just very springy, and I love this makeup bag. It's a great size. I haven't decided if I'm going to put makeup or skincare in there. And then this one right here, I'm going to put my makeup into. So it's just a nice Ted Baker one that I got from Nordstrom, and they always have these on sale. I bought it on sale, so I'll link it down below for you. I usually like to pack is I like to go in the order that I would do my makeup, just so I don't forget anything. So that's how I'm going to do it today with you. And then we'll do my brushes last. And I'm obviously going to bring a lot of my new ones with me, so you'll see me pack those after. Okay, so first I'm gonna bring these with me right here. These are by Sage, and I have Stress Relief, Immune, and then also that's a really nice cold nasal inhaler if you're sick. And you guys know I just got over being sick, so I definitely want to bring these. They just relax me. They're essential oils, all natural. So I'm just putting them into the Pixie bag. I packed my skincare in this last time, so I'm gonna do the same, and then put more of my makeup in here. My little skincare in here for travel, which is coming perfect for this trip. So I have the Fresh Youth Preserve face cream, and then Deep Hydration. They're just little travel sizes. Put that in there. And then, okay, next, I've actually been using this as a serum. So it's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, but it's really, really lightweight. So I actually go in with this, and then I'll go in with a heavier moisturizer after. So I'm gonna bring this with me, and it's just a nice little size. And I do have the larger one as well, but I'm just bringing the baby one. And, okay, so the other thing I'm going to bring, you know how much I love this already, so Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, I'm going to bring this with me, and it's just the little baby one that they have. So you can actually buy the 30 ml, I think, and then they have a larger size, but this one's like the tiny, tiny one. I think I got this in my 100 points, so I'm going to bring that. So this right here, I actually bought for this trip because I love it so much. It's the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. So you would have seen this from my Sephora haul. I have the large one. I'm not going to bring like a super large bottle, so I am going to bring this one because it's the smallest size that they have. So I'm going to bring this with me because it really has been helping my skin a lot, and it really just hydrates my skin before I put on my serum and my moisturizers. So I'm gonna go in with that too. I have to go get this from my washroom, but it's the Black Tea Firming Eye Serum. So it's by Fresh. I know I've showed this to you guys before. One of the best eye serums I've ever used. It really has done wonders for my under eyes. So I go in morning and night with this, and this is like the smallest size it has, so I'm gonna bring this with me. It is a heavier bottle, but that's okay. It's worth it to bring it because it helps us mama's under eyes. It illuminated my under eyes and also helps with firming. What else do I need here? Okay, I think that is all the skincare I need that I'm gonna bring. I don't wanna pack too much, and I have everything that I would need. Oh, cleanser, that is the other thing I need. So I actually don't have a small cleanser, and my Tatcha bottle is so big, so I think I'm just gonna bring this one, the Rose Cream Cleanser by Pixi. And I haven't tried this one out, so I'm really wanting to hopefully like it. And it says Comfort Cleanser with rose and chamomile flower. I bet that smells really good. So I'm gonna bring that in here too. And that is all my skincare. That is everything I need. I'm gonna move this around here so everything fits. Voila. Perfect. I even have more space for more skincare, but that's all I need, so. Everything I'm gonna bring here, I've been using this instead of primer, so it's the Poreless by Clarins, and it's a matte blur stick, so you have a really smooth base before putting on your foundation. It's worked wonders, so I'm gonna bring this with me, and it's also tiny, which is really nice, so I can travel with it. And I'm only there for 3 days, so I was gonna bring my watermelon mask, which I've been loving, but I think I'm gonna hold out on doing a mask until I get back because I just wanna save a bit of room here. Okay, so skincare is good to go. And for makeup, like I said, I definitely wanna be more playful with this trip with the makeup I bring, and I wanna try this palette because I haven't used it yet, the Pretty Rich palette. Look how pretty that is, honestly, it's so gorgeous. There's so many nice shades that I would go in with here. And a lot of sparkly ones. So I'm gonna bring this with me. I know it's a little bit of a bigger thing to bring, but I'm only gonna bring one palette, so I'm just gonna go in with that every day that I'm there. And then, okay, so foundation, you guys already know Peach Perfect. This is what I use every single day by Too Faced. It's great if you have oily skin, but what I like about it, it actually lasts on my skin all day, all night. So yeah, you really do get a lot of wear out of it. Talking. What are you saying? What are you saying down there, huh? Okay, so what else do I need? I have my foundation and then concealer. This is the one I've been using, the Nude, Born This Way. So I talk about this all the time, and it's an amazing concealer. So I'm gonna go in with that. It's heavy duty if you like heavy duty coverage. Little Sophia wants to say bye-bye. I go see daddy. I go see daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, sweetie, let's go. Let's bring your cloud. If you guys watch my Sephora haul, you would have seen these. They're by Natasha Denona. I love her little minis. So I'm gonna bring this one with me. It's the Blush and Glow. Look how pretty that is. I've been using this blush every single day. Can you see? But it's a really nice coral color. It comes on really natural though, so I've been really loving it, and I'm gonna bring it with me because it's a nice size too. And I don't think I need the other one because I'm gonna bring for highlight my tiny little Becca Opal. I find it just comes on really natural. I'm wearing it right now, if you can see. But yeah, this has been my favorite color now for the last few years, and it's gorgeous, so I'm gonna bring this with me. It's also a little baby one. I got it in like the little macaron set. Becca has like the nicest bronzers, blushes, and highlights. I really love her brand. I have so many that I've bought from Sephora, tons. Okay, so I've got that. What else do I need? Okay, so mascara. I am gonna go in on, I don't wanna forget this. So this is my liquid liner. I always forget liquid liner, but I definitely need it. It's the Better Than Sex one that Too Faced came out with. But I really love it because the tip is so easy to use and it's so flexible, and especially if you're doing a winged liner look like I like to do. So I'm gonna bring that with me. And then the other product here is the Better Than Sex mascara, which is awesome for full length, full volume. So these right here are the Swanky number 33 Sephora collection. Look how nice those are. So I'm gonna bring this pair and hopefully just reuse them when I'm out there. And they look really nice. They look very glam. So I'm gonna bring those two. And then, okay, so lip gloss, lipstick. I have my two favorites of all time right here. I'm actually wearing it on top of my lipstick right here by Too Faced. So this is my all-time favorite nude, and this is the color Strip Search. And it's just a really nice natural nude, if you can see that on my lips right now. And then on top, I just go in with this right here. This is the Lip Maximizer by Dior, and I've been using it for years. It's really beautiful. It's also a lip plumper. So I'm gonna bring this, and then also this is my all-time favorite lipstick. It used to be Angel, but I think this is actually replaced Angel by MAC. So I am gonna bring those with me. Eyelash curler, before I forget, I'm gonna bring that too. Little rose gold one I have from Sephora. And the other thing I'm gonna bring too is my tweezers, which I always forget my tweezers, but I'm gonna bring them this time with me. There they are. Little gold ones. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? So, I just bought this the other day, and I'm sure we all know who Desi Perkins is. She's a really big YouTuber, and I saw this set, so I ended up buying it. And it comes with everything. A lot of my favorite products here, brow products by Benefit. So, I'm just gonna take a few things out of here because I actually ran out of my brow pencil. So, why not? Let's open it. Oh, it's so cute. Ooh, okay. So this is how it looks here on the, oh, of course, something falls out. So I think I'm gonna bring this high brow pencil. This is neat. So this goes right below the brow for a highlight. So I'm gonna bring that. And then what else do we have in here? And I love how it's rose gold. How pretty is that? Okay, I'm so excited about brow products. Oh, it comes with like a little brush too, so I'll bring that with me. Just take everything out of here. There's so many YouTubers that collab with makeup brands, it's crazy. I'm just gonna put it back in here. I like to keep packaging. I might as well bring all of these products so I can try them out for my brows anyways. So yeah, it comes with a 24-hour brow setter, a little brush, and then also the Precisely My Brow Pencil, which looks awesome. So I'm excited to try all these out. The packaging though is so pretty with the rose gold. Or you know what? I'm gonna put this, let's switcheroo. I'm gonna actually put all this stuff into my Ted Baker bag because I'm still gonna bring this with me. There we go. Those in there. This is full now, so I can zip this up. Voila, so that's what this looks like here. I'll just pick my camera up to show you. This bag though is awesome, and I've seen all sorts of these from like Walmart even, and like cheaper ones, but I find they're great because you can also hang them in the washroom of your like hotel, but they come in handy for packing too. Like I think this is just awesome, and it's so easy to travel with. And then it also comes with this here, which I haven't seen before. So it is the Foolproof Brow Powder. That's what it looks like. Even has like a little brow in there. That's so cool. So I'll put that in here. Ready. Got that one. Put that there for now. The other thing I'm gonna grab before I forget is I do want to bring, which you will see on Fashion Friday, is my Jo Malone fragrance right over there. So it's, I think, a 50 ml, but it's like a smaller bottle, but I'm also gonna bring one that I can take in my purse. So if we're going out like for dinner, I like usually doing like a little spritz here and there. So I'm just gonna bring this little baby one by Jo Malone. So this one is English Pear, and it smells heavenly, so I'm gonna just put this in the Ted Baker bag. Okay, so now the fun part, I'm gonna pack my brushes, and I'm gonna put them in here, actually, the Ted Baker bag. So I'm gonna bring my lilac, of course, my, oh my god, my Marble Rose Gold blusher. I use this every single day for blush. It is so beautiful and so nice, and it's the perfect size to get the apple of your cheeks, so I'm gonna bring those. And then for an eye blender, I'm gonna bring my new rainbow one right here. And also my pink glam brush. So I actually use this brush for either powder, or you can use it for bronzer too. So I'm gonna bring this for either or. A few of my cotton candy brushes as well. And all my eye brushes from the cotton candy set are just like my go-to brushes. Do I have any other clean ones? I'll bring it, oh, they're in here. That's why. I'll bring those. I'll bring a few from my gold set. And then my angled blusher for bronzer. Sometimes I use it for that. And that should be about good. You know what? I'll bring a few extra just because I usually like to take photos when I'm out there of my brushes. So I'll probably do that. This right here is the Peach Lip Balm by Too Faced. And it's really nice and hydrating. So I'm going to bring that too. So I knew I'd find something else to put in here, so I'm actually gonna put my brush in here. So that should fit perfectly. There we go. So we have everything in here. All my skincare fit really nicely, and then all of my makeup as well. So this was actually sent in PR, this actual bag. If you're wondering where I got it from, it's from Pixie. But there are other ones. I'll try to link one that I can find for you on Amazon down below. I've seen them everywhere, but all ready to go, you guys. I've got both of these packed. So we have my skincare and my makeup. Okay, so all done packing my makeup and skincare. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I'm bringing. I always love doing travel videos, so if you guys are really enjoying these, let me know. And yeah, everything is good to go here. I've got all my shoes, my clothes, and some space also for shopping. So let me know if you want to see a vlog or if you want to see a shopping haul or anything like that for Monday or Friday's videos. And also, yeah, wish us luck. And definitely go add me on Instagram if you're not following me so you can see my stories. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I will see you guys in my next video on Fashion Friday.